Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutology, our learning channel. In the previous video, we covered the basic of Excel, like what Excel is, how cell work and how to use border and bold text. Today, we will continue our Excel journey with some important shortcuts, use of freeze spans and a powerful tool called conditional formatting. So first, here I have taken a data of 100 students. Then I select the whole data, use a shortcut Ctrl A. After that I want autofit column width, so I click Alt. After click Alt, here the all shortcut are open. Then I click H for home and then click O for formatting, and here I am click I for autofit column width. And after that I want to all border, so I use the shortcut. Again the already whole data is selected, so that's why I just click Alt for open function key, then click H for home tab, then click B for border and all border for A. So here my column width is set and border is done. So here I can write all the shortcuts for your further use. After that I want highlight all the names. So first I select all names with a shortcut Shift plus spacebar for entire row, and then Alt and 1 for highlight or bold. If you want select entire column, use Ctrl plus spacebar. If you want select entire row, use Shift plus spacebar. Here when I scroll down the data, the heading part will be not visible. It's difficult to understand which score is gotten from which subject. For that purpose, we can use a freeze span. We can go to View tab. Here we can find the freeze span. I only want the first row freeze, so that's why we can choose freeze top row. You can also freeze the first column or more than one column or row. Here you can see when I scroll down, the name and subject will be visible. After that we want total for all subject in individual, so that's why we add a more column. Here I can type total. Here we can use shortcut for auto sum. Alt is equal to Excel is calculated by default all the previous cells. Here you can also use auto sum function for editing comment, and after that you just double click on this plus sign to autofill all the column. Next we can calculate the average of 5 subjects. Here we can go to the auto sum, click the average, and we can select only the 5 subject, not select the total, only select the first 5 subject and then enter, and then double click the plus sign for flash fill. Here you can see all the average are done. Here we can count how many subjects are there. I add here one more row to count how many subjects are there. You just select where you insert one more cell, and after that right click on the cell and insert cells. Now I can type total subject, and then I am go to auto sum and select the count number and enter, and then flash fill. Next I want to give a title this data, so I can insert 2 more columns, and then I give the data name like ABC school, and then I want this heading at the middle of the table, but I don't want to margin center, because if I use margin center then the school name not shown only the A column, shown all A to J column. I want only show the A column, that's why I change the format cells. I can select A to J column, then type Ctrl 1. Here go to alignment and choose center across selection, and then press OK. Then I use some fill color to highlight the name. I choose yellow. Next we can learn how to use conditional formatting in existing data. Here we can prepare some question what we can learn today. First, highlight cells where the score is less than 40 in any subject. There are 5 subjects. We can identify those who are score less than 40. First, we can select all the scores of these 5 subjects. Then go to conditional formatting, select new rules, and after that here you can select format only cells that contain. Then select cell value. Next select less than, then type 40. Then go to formatting. Here I can choose the red color and bold text, and next OK. After that you can see those who are score less than 40, the cell will be highlighted at the red color. Then we can go to the next question. Highlighted students scoring more than 90 in all subjects. Here we can select the all subject score and then go to conditional formatting, and after that new rules, and select format only cells that contain. Here we can select greater than and type 90 and select bold text and green color. After that we will see those who got more than 90, those cell will be highlighted in green color. Then go to next question. Highlight the highest score in each subject column. Here we can select all the number of maths and then go to conditional formatting, then new rules. Here we can use a formula, that's why we can use a formula to determine which cells to format. Type is equal to and then starting number of the cell, then again is equal to and type max because we find the max value, and then starting cell is to ending cell. We can fix our row, that's why we can use the $sign to fix the row. After that go to formatting and use bold and yellow color, and you see the highest number is highlighted. When you can fix any row or cell, you can put the $sign front of the cell number. As per same process, complete the another 4 subjects. Then move on the next question. Highlight students whose average score across all subject is between 60 and 75. First you can select the all subject score, then go to conditional formatting, new rules, choose format only cells that contain, select between 60 to 75, then go to formatting, select blue color and click OK. After that you can see all those cells are highlighted, those who are got 60 to 75. Then move on the next question. Use a formula to color the entire row red if the student has failed in more than 2 subjects, score below 40. This is a use a if function. This one will continue in the next class. And the next question is assigning color for grades A to 85 to 100, grade B 70 to 84, and grade C 50 to 69, and grade D below 50 is red. This is also a if function. This will be continue and is the next class. So in this video we learned useful shortcuts, how to use conditional formatting to highlight values and add visuals, and also how to freeze pans. Practice these features slowly and you will get comfortable very soon. In the next video we will learn how to use if function in Excel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching Tutology, where learning meets simplicity.